If you come from a construction company, solar installation company, roof repair company or renovation company, welcome to inquire about this Hoist ladder lift from us. For only $200, you can get this multifunction foldable and portable electric Hoist ladder lift. Suitable for both residential and commercial projects, this Hoist ladder has a reliable quality body made of galvanized steel and is European CE certified. It has a maximum lifting height of 20 meters and a maximum load of 250 kilograms. Services we can provide: 1 OEM service. More lifting height can be customized. 2 secure payment. Alibaba insurance order is available. 3 perfect after-sales service. Accessory support 6 to 12 months warranty. Subscribe to our channel to get more related news.